Hey guys, my name's Ben. I'm here today with Torqit Performance. We're in the process of installing a ModuleMap remote tuner to this 78 series here behind me. We're going to go through the process of installing it and show you how easy it is to remote tune your vehicle from your home. We did a dyno run on this car when it was in standard form. We saw 114 rear wheel kilowatts and 405 Newton meters of torque. As you can see, we've fitted a few aftermarket accessories to this vehicle, namely the 3.5-inch Torqit Performance DPF back exhaust system, keeping things legal. We've also fitted some 35-inch tyres and a few other aftermarket accessories, as you can see. We're going to drop it on the dyno and see how she comes up. Okay guys, we've just had this on the dyno. We've seen a fairly substantial decrease in power due to the aftermarket accessories that are fitted to the vehicle. We've got 88 kilowatts at the rear wheels and just on 400 Newton meters of torque. Now with this car running 35-inch tyres, an upgraded J-Max rear diff and also beadlock steel wheels, we were expecting to see that decrease in power. We're going to install the ModuleMap now and see if we can get some extra grunt out of it. Okay guys, so I've just finished the ModuleMap remote tuning on the 78 series you can see behind me. We've got some great results, some really good power and torque increases. So we've got a power increase of 34% over standard and a torque increase of a massive 73%. Now these figures are shown at the wheels on this dyno. To get your flywheel figures, you just increase them by the same percentage, which will give you your figures. So what we're going to do now is we're going to grab this off the dyno and we're going to take it for a spin. Right, so we're out for our maiden test drive on the 78 series with the ModuleMap tune. We've also fitted the pedal torque to this one as well to give it a little bit more throttle response. We'll see how she goes in a straight line. Oh, it's not even the same car. It's amazing how effortlessly it just picks up. You can definitely tell there's a big torque increase there in this one. Amazing how that's unbelievable. It's a totally different car, that. It's just, you can't even compare the two. That even sounds better. Let's pick top gear here and see what it's like. We're just going up a slight hill here. So at 1,000 RPM, we're still accelerating, we're still building speed. It's absolutely unbelievable. Give it a bit of stick here too. Oh, it's amazing. That is outrageous. Not even, I'm lost for words. It's amazing. Tell you what, you can definitely tell that there was that big torque increase. 70%. Over 70% actually. You can't say that's not worth the time. That's amazing.